enjoyed it? Did you all enjoy the session today? Yes? Say yes. If it is yes, nod your head. If it is no, again nod like this. Did you all enjoy it? Oh, very nice. Very good. Then you didn't enjoy it. Yes, you enjoyed it. Okay. So now, again, I'm going to show you something. You want to see something? See what we have seen yesterday. It was cat family. Yesterday we saw a cat family. Let's see, let's meet the family members again. Let's meet the family members again. Okay, here I have the cat family. Now I am going to meet the cat members again. So sweet little cats. Who all are they? Cats. Now who tell me? Who is he?
Cheetah.
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 Cheetah. Yes, he is cheetah. Again, a cat family. Cheetah again, a cat family. Who is not muted here? Please mute yourself, dear. Survan Soni, I can't see your video.
Cheetah.
Okay, now let's see the next one. Iraj Sharma. Now what is it? Iraj, unmute yourself and tell me.
Who is he? Oh, lion, very good.
Iraj, what is it?
What is it?
Lion. He's again a cat
Very
family
good.
member. A lion.
Very good, Iraj.
Yes, very good, Iraj. Now who will tell me this? Okay, Gitesh, now it's your turn. Please unmute yourself and tell me what is this? He's also a member of a cat family, but I don't know the name. Please help me.
Tiger cheetah.
No, this is not like
Tiger cheetah.
Yuvraj, please, your turn will come definitely. Gitesh, one from your side. Gitesh, what is this? What are you looking at? Yes, Gitesh.
Tiger. Tiger.
Tiger. Yes, it's a tiger. How can you differentiate a tiger and a cheetah? Anybody? Yes, Khushi, can you tell me how can you say that this is tiger? Because it has stripes on the body. See, there are certain stripes on the body. Okay, now let's see the next one. Now who will tell me? Yuvraj, now it's your turn. Okay, Yuvraj, now you tell me what is it?
Leopard.
Robot.
बोलो जोर से बोलो.
Robot.
बोलो बेटा.
Robot.
Yes?
Leopard.
Yes, Yuvraj?
Jubraj. Ma'am is calling you. Say, what is this?
Yuvraj, what is this? Gitesh, you want to answer me, what is this?
Not, this is not cheetah.
Anybody else? Okay, Maya, can you help me to tell me what is this?
This is
Leopard. Very good, Maya. Thank you so much. This is leopard. Now, Aradhya will tell me, Aradhya, how can you differentiate that this is a leopard and this is cheetah and this is not a lion, this is not a tiger? Please tell me. Aradhya, how can you differentiate this, that this is a leopard? Do you know better? Okay, then who will tell me? Advik, unmute yourself and tell me how I know that this is a cheetah, or maybe this is a leopard. I don't know. I cannot differentiate, dear. Anybody who can help me out? Saisha, please tell me. Saisha, you know this is leopard, but I don't know. I'm finding it same like a tiger and a leopard. Now, what is the difference, beta? Saisha, can you help me?
Yes.
What difference can you see in this? Anybody who can help me? Okay, Taksha can help me.
Cheetah.
No, this is cheetah. I agree, Gayatri, but you really need to guide me. How can I say this is a cheetah?
Leopard.
It's a leopard, right? But how did you find it that it's a leopard and it's not a tiger? What is the difference I can see from a tiger and a leopard?
That's lights.
No, I tell you how. The tiger has stripes on his body and the leopard's body is spots. The leopard body has spots on it. Black, big spots. Can you see the difference? The tiger has stripes on his body and the leopard has spots on his body. Yes? Can you see? Okay. Now there is one more thing I have to discuss here. Can you see these white coming out of their faces? These here. Can you see? Even on the cat too, we have. Okay. Some papas have mustache. Some papas have mustache and some don't. And even cats do have, and the cat family members do have that. These are mustache. But animals, those who have mustache, are called whiskers. Whiskers. Please, children, speak after me and mama will hear you. What are these called? These are not called mustache. These are called whiskers. Whiskers. I can't see you miming after me. Whiskers. Yes. Okay. So we'll say cats and cat family members, rest yourself and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye, tiger. Bye, lion. Rest in the jungle and we'll meet you tomorrow. Hey, they were very dangerous. Yes. And they all went to jungle to rest now because they have said hi to you. Now it's a time. And today again, I want you to answer now. Because I have taught you many times. Now it's your turn to give me answer back. Let's see what it is. Oh, they're still here. Please go back. What am I sharing here? Again, I'm sharing something. And I want all my children to speak. स्वर. ये है स्वर. हमको ये स्वर आते हैं. हम रोज पढ़ रहे हैं. हम लिख भी रहे हैं. अब मेरे को आज सब बेबीज बताएंगे. आप राइमिंग में बताओ या जैसे भी बताओ, but you have to speak up. Okay? Now what is this? Everybody mute yourself. I will call out your name one by one and then you will answer me. Quickly mute yourself. Okay, mute yourself. Aradhya, wait, beta. When it's your turn, then only you'll speak, please. Okay, let's begin with Ronika. Yes, Ronika, what it is?
Not say adrak.
Very good.
Amrut.
Very good, Ronika. Okay, again, okay, Aradhya was speaking with me. Now, Aradhya, I am pointing to some here. I am pointing on my screen. Now, you have to tell me what it is. से ये क्या है? बताओ आराध्या. Aradhya, it's your turn, beta. से Adrak. Very good, very good. Very good, Aradhya. Now, Advik will speak up. Okay, Advik, unmute yourself and tell me which fruit is this? Say? Can't hear you clearly. See, I'm pointing. Amrud, very good. Guava, do you like to eat guava? Yes? Oh, very nice. Next, let's see who will tell me. Ganeev. Ganeev will tell me. Ganeev, ये क्या है? ये कौन सा स्वर है? पहले सारा नहीं बताना, वन बताना. आ से आम. आम कैसा होता है? खट्टा खट्टा होता है कि मीठा मीठा? खट्टा मीठा होता है. वेरी गुड. Okay, Ganeev, mute yourself. Now Takshay will tell me. Takshay, now it's your turn. ये क्या है? आज ये ब्राउन ब्राउन क्या है?
What is this?
ये क्या होते हैं? I am pointing.
बताओ ये कौन सा है?
I am pointing.
बताओ ये क्या? What is this? बोलो लाउड.
Yes, Takshay.
बोलो, अभी तो पूरी पोएम बोली आपने. बोलो.
मुझे तो इसके फ्रेंच फ्राइज बहुत टेस्टी लगते हैं. मैं तो इसके फ्रेंच फ्राइज बहुत सारे खाती हूँ.
मम्मा को बना के देगी. मम्मा बताओ
आप खाते हो इसके फ्रेंच फ्राइज बनाकर? मम्मा खिलाती है फ्रेंच फ्राइज.
बोलो फिर क्या है?
खिलाती है मम्मा फ्रेंच फ्राइज.
Alu.
Aloo. Very good. Okay, now let's see Japman here. Okay, Japman, now it's your turn. ये क्या है? आ से I am pointing here.
Ata.
आटा. आटा से क्या बनता है?
Roti.
रोटी. हम रोटी खाते हैं आटा की. Very good. Okay, now let's see the next one. Now it's Amaya's turn. Okay, Amaya, ये क्या है? पहले तो ये कौन सा स्वर है बेटा?
बताओ. मुझे बताओ मैम.
जोर से. ई से.
बताओ.
किस पे मैं? इमली. इमली. अब ई से इमली कैसी होती है? मीठी मीठी होती है?
Khatti.
खट्टी. ई से इमली और मम्मा इसकी बना देती है खट्टी खट्टी चटनी. Yes. Okay. Now Saisha will tell me. Saisha, ये क्या है? I am pointing. Saisha will tell me.
What is this,
Each say. Yes. Yes, beta. Each say. Bolo, what is this? You know this? Elaichi. Elaichi. Very good. Unmute yourself, beta. Okay, Gayatri. Now it's your turn. Watch here. I am.
No, this one.
See where I'm.
No, this
Hey,
one.
what is this?
Imarti.
इमरती. इमरती बहुत खट्टी होती है ना? है ना गायत्री? इमरती बहुत खट्टी होती है, मीठी होती है. It's a sweet. You get a sweet tooth after this. Very good. Now mute yourself. Okay. Now whose turn it is? Who will tell me? Okay, Raj. Look here. ये क्या मैं किस पे पॉइंट कर रही हूँ? ई से
बताओ ये राज, ये क्या है? देखो ये क्या है?
देखो मैम किस
ये
पे
क्या
पॉइंट
है,
कर रही
राज?
है?
इट्स योर टर्न. अब मैम पूछ रही है, ये क्या है? ये वाला व्हाट इज दिस राज? राज ये क्या है? इधर देखो पहले, ये क्या है?
राज look here बेटा.
वेरी गुड.
इमारत.
ऊंची
Very
बोलो.
good. Very good. Okay, now let's go to the next slide. What is it? E. Now Mannat will tell me. मन्नत, मेरे को इसका जूस बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, पर ये क्या है मुझे मालूम ही नहीं है. मैं जूस तो पी लेती हूँ बट मुझे नहीं पता.
बोल.
Yes.
मैडम पूछ रहे हैं.
I do drink the juice, but I don't know this.
वो
Say
बोलो.
eek. Very good. Now Yuvraj will tell me. Mannat, mute yourself. Yuvraj, what is this?
चलो बोलो.
Eat. Very good. Next. Let's come to Prisha Jain. Prisha, this festival is my favorite. I love to eat semia here. Which is the festival? Say eat. Very good. Good. Now mute yourself. Okay, Arav Arora. आरव अरोड़ा, ये क्या है? कौन सा स्वर है? ऊ से उल्लू. Okay, I didn't point any object here, but good, very good. This picture is u se ullu. Very good. Now Kehar will speak up. Kehar, unmute yourself and tell me ये क्या है? u से See, I'm pointing here, Kehar. Ulta. Very good. Now it's Survan Soni's turn. Okay, mute yourself, Kehar. Survan Soni, ये क्या है? He likes to fly every time. Unmute yourself and tell me.
Suvanch, unmute yourself.
Survansh, unmute yourself, beta.
Okay, now speak up.
ये क्या है, बाबू? What is this? See, I'm pointing. Udan, udna. Very good. Okay. Now, खुशी. ये क्या है बाबू? ये कौन सा स्वर और इसे क्या बनाते हैं? खुशी, unmute yourself and tell me. Yes, खुशी. Ooh, say oon. Very good. Arav Rana. Now Arav Rana will give me answer. What is this, beta? Arav Rana, unmute yourself and tell me. See, I'm pointing here. Who say Oud Bila? Very good. Now let's get back to Aradhya here. Aradhya, now what is this? Unmute yourself and answer me, beta. Yes, Aradhya.
Radhya, unmute yourself
Aradhya, you're not able to
and give the answer. No, ma'am, she's doing.
Aradhya, you're not able to unmute yourself. Okay, let's see from somebody else who can tell me the answer. Here. Read Rishi. Okay, Aradhya has given me the answer. Read Rishi. Very good, Aradhya. Now, डांसी भी बहुत अच्छी करती हूँ. ये क्या है मेरी? युवराज, ये मेरा क्या है? क्या स्वर है ये मेरा? मैं इससे बहुत अच्छी डांसी करती हूँ. I picked them up and I dance. Very nice. What is it? Unmute yourself and tell me. Quickly, Yuvraj.
बोलो बेटा स्पीक
एक बार
बोलना
AAD. Aradhya is giving again an answer. AAD. Very good, Aradhya. Okay, now let's move next. I like to wear it and it is still there. Now who will tell me? Khushi. Please tell me what am I wearing and what is this sound here? ऐनक. Very good. और ये तो हाथी है, पर इसको कुछ और भी बोलते हैं, मुझे मालूम ही नहीं है. Okay, कुछ yourself. Let me ask somebody else. Your Gayatri will tell me. Okay, Gayatri, please tell me. Gayatri, unmute yourself and tell me. Gayatri is not here. Okay, let's see. Ganeev, what is this? Say. ये तो हाथी है. कि इसको कोई और कुछ और भी बोलते हैं, मुझे मालूम ही नहीं है. प्लीज मेरी हेल्प कर दो. मेरी हेल्प कर दो. ऐसे नहीं आता. एरावत. ऐसे एरावत. आई क्विकली थिंक और मुझे याद आ गया फिर. थैंक यू. ओके, अभी मुझे कौन बताएगा? अमाया बताएगी. अमाया, ये क्या है? अमाया, व्हाट इज दिस? अमाया,
बोलो माया
यस अमाया. ओ से क्या है ये? Oakley. Very good, Amaya. Very good. Now let's hear it from Mannat. Mannat, what is this? आपको ठंडू दिखती है. जब ठंडू होती है ना, बहुत सारी ड्रॉपलेट्स होते हैं इसके.
ऊंची बोलो. हाँ ऊंची बोलो.
ओ से मन्नत
ऊंची बोलो.
से. Oh, very good. Oh, Ronika. Ronika, unmute yourself and tell me ये क्या है? बेटा ये औषधि नहीं है. देखो मैं किस पे पॉइंट कर रही हूँ. वैसे औषधि आपने ठीक बताया है. और से औषधि. चलो नेक्स्ट अब किसी और से पूछते हैं. प्रिशा. Now Prisha will tell me. Prisha, what is this? औ से औजार. Very good, Prisha. Okay, केहर, ये क्या है? ये मेरे को तो बहुत टेस्टी लगता है. केहर को टेस्टी लगता है ये? कौन सा फ्रूट है? ये कौन सा है? जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी जल्दी। अंग से, हाँ क्या ये? क्या ये? अंगूर। वेरी गुड। ओके, आर्या इज हियर। ओके आर्या, ये क्या है अंग से? Why is this a dark room? अंग से, प्लीज हेल्प मी आर्या। अंग से अंधेरा। And
जोर से बोलो।
ताली, बजाओ ताली, everybody clap, बजाओ ताली। Yes, I have kept something at my back. What comes after? But I have left with no time, so we'll do it tomorrow, right? So in that case, we have did action words. We have did स्वर। आज सबने मेरे को स्वर सुनाए हैं और हमने